Hi everyone. So in this video, let's talk about another very important topic, which is hoisting and linking. So in the PNPM, we'll talk about package linking, how the package gets linked to each other, and how the hoisting works. So instead of copying the dependency into each package, what PNPM is doing, PNPM is creating a symlink to a shared PNPM store. I mean, you can see this PNPM store, and we won't be able to read it much, but PNPM generates a symlink to all the dependencies at root level. That ensures that multiple packages in the monorepo reuses the dependencies efficiently. Okay, let's take a look onto this same example. So what do we have here is workspace YML, same as the previous example, and we have these two packages, API and a utils package. Now let's say in the API package, in the package JSON, I want to install a load-s package or maybe express package. Let's say if I add this, let's put the version is 4.0.0, and we will go to we are at the root of this project. I will do pnpm install. So here I have added a express module and a load-s module. Now you can see that this has been added here, apps express, and you can see this symbol. This is actually a symlink created by PNPM, and we can also see that symlink in this. So what all these symlinks are? One dependency points to apps, and this express, which is actually pointing to the root node modules, and the load-s is also pointing to the root node modules. So inside node modules, PNPM, you will see all these packages like express and the load-s. So this is how the sub-level packages inside the packages folder, whatever the packages you are installing, that is getting added at the root, and the symlink is getting created so that these sub packages can use that root level dependency. So the overall is hoisting moves the shared dependencies to the root node modules. All workspace can use the same version. That is all the hoisting in PNPM. So PNPM ensures that each package only accesses the declared dependency. So this is all about how PNPM hoisted the dependencies and how it links them using symlink.